get like under the thing and then pop up.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I am a broke college student and I like to bake things. However, I don't have many of the ingredients that you need to bake things like sugar, baking powder, baking soda, you know, all that jazz. But I wanted to use this protein powder and this reduced fat peanut butter to make some protein cookies because I've been eating like shit. I looked up a recipe for 3 ingredient peanut butter cookies and I don't have one of the ingredients, which is sugar. So my thought process was, let's just wing it. Fucking why not, right? So the recipe I'm following is this 3 ingredient peanut butter cookie, and it calls for 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 egg. But I don't have sugar, like I said, so I'm just gonna wing it and I'll show you as I go along. Okay, so first, don't mind my nails, I bite them. I'm preheating my oven to 350, let's do 355. All right, so that's preheating. Ew, that is little nasty. I'm also not following the right measurements.
Isn't that just wasting ingredients?
Well, I'm loosely following one.
Oh, that's good.
I'm gonna be using light brown sugar and some stevia and egg. I'm just also gonna eyeball it.
So let's see.
Oh, fuck shit, bitch.
Oh, fuck. Shit, bitch!
This bowl is dirty. Who puts dirty bowls?
Is it from your cinnamon popcorn?
No, because I stopped putting it in a bowl because I didn't like doing dishes. Okay, now that that bowl is mostly clean.
Dishes, but yeah.
But yet doing this. We've got our peanut butter in there. Bag secure. Okay, I'm gonna be cracking this egg. I don't fucking know. Thinking like 2 scoops of this protein powder.
2 shots of vodka.
2 scoops of protein. And then I'm just gonna like sprinkle in some brown sugar because why the fuck not? Perfect. Oh, fuck shit, bitch!
So, you're not adding any other sugar? We don't have sugar. Those cookies are gonna taste awful if all you put in it is...
Well, I'm putting stevia in it.
Put it...
Peanut butter, sugar, and egg. 1 egg. Yeah.
So the mixture looks really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start mixing. I'm gonna put in a splash of almond milk because this mixture is a little dry, you know. Whoop, there we go. Just gonna continue stirring. So the dough is looking like this. It's a little questionable if you ask me, but so is this whole video. I'm gonna test the dough again. I just tried it out, it wasn't bad. It got worse since I added more of this. Could use a little more peanut butter.
I feel like you should just stop adding things.
I feel like it's too sticky. What can I add to make it less sticky? More milk?
Cook it.
Just cook it? So my roommates are saying I should just cook it like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm going into the cabinet and I'm gonna get a cookie sheet. We don't have that many, so we'll use a small one.
Well, I won't make many more than that.
Then I'm just taking some non-stick paper. Just gotta wash my hands, be right back. Okay, now that I have washed my hands, I'm just gonna, just take this and make some balls and yeah, they're gonna be big. These are big boys.
They're gonna take longer to cook.
I don't have anywhere to be.
You meant that edges are gonna be like overcooked.
Oh, whatever. Oh my god, I'll make them smaller. Criticize me. Her fucking pasta's boiling over.
Yeah, but it's not gonna taste like shit.
Whoa. These are gonna taste fucking great!
Okay, eat them all, Sam, first.
Not gonna eat them all. I'm gonna eat.
So you're going into the expectation.
All these fucking haters are like killing my vibe.
Mom's like, if they do taste good,
Can I have one? Now, I'm just gonna pop these bad boys in the oven and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. For 6 minutes. Wait, why are you laughing? No. Okay, so, no, I think they're supposed to be kind of like that.
Looks like poop.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be taking a fork and like, shut up, guys, and pressing them like, you know, those peanut butter cookies that apple. Guys, shut up. They're gonna be good, and then you guys are gonna be asking me for the recipe. I'm not gonna give it to you.
Yeah, I really want the recipe. We all watched you make them, Sam. Can I poke it?
All right, I'll update you guys
No, I feel
after.
like
All right, so I ended up giving them about 9 minutes to 11 minutes total. I'm going to take them out right now, and we're gonna let them sit for a little bit so they harden up. So they're still a little bit gooey, but I don't want them to get overcooked. So yeah, here they are. Okay, guys, it's time for the taste test. First, let's crack them in half.
honestly not bad.
It isn't bad. I think for a protein-packed cookie, I'd expect it to taste like this. Oh yeah, I feel like if you add more peanut butter, it'd be better. Like it just tastes like a peanut butter cookie.
Yeah, I agree.
I think it's just lacking the sugar.
Yeah, I like it though. Fuck it, bitches. I'm actually decently satisfied with how these came out. So, if you want to follow this recipe or give it a little tweak to make it taste a little better, maybe add a little more peanut butter, add real sugar. For a low sugar, high protein cookie,
1 cup of brown sugar.
light brown sugar that has like 30 calories and 2 tablespoons. And it wasn't a cup, it was like a half a cup. Don't let the haters stop you. Haters are my motivators. Thanks for watching.